Hi guys, welcome back to the Daya Daily. Today I'm an ice princess. A lot of you guys wanted to see this look, especially my friend. So I decided to do it for you guys. I've been waiting for this one too. Alright, if you want to see how to get this icy look, just keep on watching. Woo! Let's do this. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild white foundation. An ice princess has really light skin. Has it been snowing where you live? Has it been snowing here? Hopefully tomorrow. I haven't got to go sledding this year. Now we're gonna set it with some translucent powder. This is the RCM 8 powder. Looks like snow. Now I got my icy blue eyes. We're gonna do the eyeshadow next. I'm gonna start with this Galaxy Chic palette. Yep, there's a lot of galaxy colors in here. I think I'm gonna use this one. We're gonna use a light blue. Now the color that I'm using doesn't look very galaxy. I think all the other ones do because they have other colors in them. Now I'm done with the blue. Now I'm gonna move on to a different color. I'm gonna use this one right here. This is in the color Poolside from Makeup Geek. Now I'm gonna do some silver. This is a silver color from MAC. It kind of gives it an icy look. I did my silver eyebrows. And now I'm gonna do this bling glitter glue, and then I'm gonna put on some glitter. Now we're gonna do the lashes. That's so cool. You just sprayed them and put some glitter on. Now my lashes are on. Now I'm gonna do my lips, my contour, and my highlight. I'm just using a blue eyeliner. I'm gonna put this clear gloss on, and it's from Maybelline, and I'm using this gloss brush. I'm gonna use the darker blue color to contour. I'm gonna do the highlighter from Anastasia, and I'm gonna use Orion. Now I'm just gonna put on my crown. Put it on. We made this out of hot glue. Whoa, that looks cool. Now we're done, guys. This wig makes it. What do you guys think? I think this is the best look ever and my favorite. I look like Elsa's little sister. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and like it, because I liked it. I hope you guys like it as much as I liked it. And subscribe. Make sure to check out my little brother's channel too. Link right here. He's so cute. He makes the cutest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!